Before any setting touches live capital, we try to break it in backtests. We begin by utilizing the MT5 strategy tester with Dukascopy tick data, employing every tick modeling, bid and ask pricing, and realistic commission and slippage. The window of our test spans from 2019 to the present, so we capture COVID, the 2022 rate cycle, the war, the presidential election, and extended volatilities. Here you'll see the exact inputs we use internally for our GBP/USD version 20. These are documented and versioned to ensure consistent results across runs. Now I'll start the backtest. What you're seeing is a full uninterrupted run, no cherry-picked months and no edits. Now let's review the results. Our benchmarks prioritize defense over offense, focusing on metrics such as maximum drawdown, profit factor, Sharpe ratio, and recovery factor. This run you'll see, using a position size of 0.01 to 3,000, shows an equity maximum drawdown of about 13.45%, roughly $4,600 on a $10,000 baseline. This is within our tolerance. Now, if we decrease the position size to 0.01 to 5,000, it actually lowers the drawdown to 11%, even better. You can see the profit factor is 1.93, and this is considered a great profit factor, well exceeding our goal of at least 1.0. The Sharpe ratio is 1.17, which is very solid for automated FX, considering some statistics show that 0.7 is acceptable for an expert advisor. Now you'll see the recovery factor is 6.07, and this means your profits are paid back with the worst drawdown more than 6 times. Above 3 is exceptional, so Kraitos Elite passed here with flying colors. Next, the equity curve. It's a steady rising profile with shallow contained pullbacks and no multi-month equity holes. Deposit load spikes are brief and revert quickly, all of this consistent with a defense-first posture. Now, upon examining the 10,000 Monte Carlo simulations, we observe that all 10,000 tests exhibit upward movement. However, our selected strategy displays a consistent curve of profit, less chaotic, less emotional, more peace, consistent profit. Now the dashboard shows how those profits arrive. Shorts win about 82% of the time, and longs about 79% of the time. So the logic isn't just one-sided. It is worth noting that Kraitos Elite is designed to complete trade sequences by using additional trades known as managing trades. Therefore, these win rate stats don't accurately represent the way the software trades, and as a result, the win rate would actually be higher than is reported. You can see by weekday, activity and profits cluster on Thursday and Friday. By hour, entries concentrate during the London-New York overlap, and most profits land in those windows. The longest profit streak is 6 trades totaling about $2,300, while the worst consecutive losses are 3 trades totaling about a negative $2,000. So losses are real but bounded, and recovery is efficient. Now the transactions. Costs are applied to every trade, spread, commission, and slippage. There's no clustering of oversized losers, holding times are consistent with the rules, and around major news periods, trades continue to respect risk, so the equity line remains intact. In addition to MT5, we run Quant Analyzer on every candidate setting. We generate Monte Carlo robustness, walk forward or out of sample checks where applicable, parameter sensitivity, stagnation analysis, and R multiple distributions. We publish the key Quant Analyzer outputs alongside the MT5 report, allowing you to assess robustness beyond a single equity curve. Our acceptance rule is simple. If the benchmarks or robustness checks fail, we do not release. We make small principled adjustments, not curve fitting, and rerun the full 6-year test, up to 10 years. We repeat this process until the drawdown, profit factor, Sharpe ratio, recovery, and Quant Analyzer diagnostics all meet our standards. When a configuration does pass, we promote it to a dedicated demo forward test that we manage. We create a separate account for this pair and version. We publish it on the company Myfxbook account and let time confirm that the behavior matches the backtest. Once the demo forward test confirms the behavior, we update the trading strategies that include this pair. We bump the version, post the changelog, and update our guidance so you know exactly what changed and why. You can review the published reports, the Quant Analyzer summaries, and the demo performance on Myfxbook. Backtests, Quant Analyzer robustness, our demo forward test, then strategy update, one transparent pipeline. Trading does involve risk, and past data cannot guarantee future results. However, disciplined risk management and clear rules are what we demand before we risk our own capital.